Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is our favorite muslin burp cloth. It's from AllSett Baby, and it's a beautiful white color, very absorbent and soft. I like to put it underneath my baby's chin when he's eating to catch all of the milk drippings. I keep them all in this drawer. They fold very nicely, and I love the size. It's 10 inches by 20 inches, which is the perfect size. You can put it over your shoulder or use it for any different application, really. It's so absorbent. You can see when the water falls, it absorbs right away. It seems to just spread throughout the fibers and it doesn't leak through, which is really nice. So if you're in the market for a burp cloth that is going to absorb all that spit up, the milk, the drool, all of those things, definitely check out AllSett Baby because these burp cloths are awesome. They're very absorbent and most important, soft on your baby's skin. But that's just my point of view.